have a podcast and I sit out in nature while it's still not too cold. And I talk about being alive. That's what I talk about. I'm just trying to make myself look cute because I do make shorts. You probably came from my shorts or my TikTok. Hi. Hi, boom. Welcome. Anyway, should we just get this party started? Hello and welcome back to another week of Hire Me. Hi. If you're new here, welcome. I go on rants and sometimes I teach you a thing or two. Sometimes I learn a thing or two during my process of rant. And yeah, I'm just a girl living life. So buckle up, because we're in for a ride.